Hello friends, so in this video we will configure the Eureka server. So what is Eureka server? Actually, we will create the two services. First service is our user service and second is our album service. And user service want to communicate with the album service. But user service don't know where is the album service, right? So in that case, the user service will call the Eureka server. And Eureka server have the all the address of the all the service that are registered. Okay, and whenever user service call this Eureka server return the one address, that is the album service address, and with that address it will communicate with the album service. So we will configure in this video, we will configure this Eureka server, and after that next in the next further video we will register this user service and album service to the Eureka server. Okay, so to configure this Eureka server, first of all, we have to create one project. So go to Spring Initializer. Okay, so once you go to the initializer, so select Maven project Java. The latest Spring Boot version is 3.3.4, and artifact is the discovery service. Okay, discovery service. This is small d. Okay, discovery service. After that, select the Java 70 here jar, and we need to add one dependency. That dependency is Netflix Eureka. Okay, Eureka server dependency. So it is from the Netflix Eureka server. So this dependency we need. Click on this dependency. Okay, and generate the project. Once this project is generated, import in your Eclipse. Okay, so let's go to the project. So we have this discovery service and extract all. Okay, let me put this in my folder. Okay, so I paste this in my folder, import this in our favorite any ID. Okay, so let's go to the file, open reset, open project from existing source. Okay, and here it is, I pasted in the E drive. Okay, so this discovery service. Okay, click OK. It is asking. Once you successfully import this project in IntelliJ, so go to the properties file. Okay, first of all, go to this src folder, main Java, and on this our main class, add one annotation that is @enable. Okay, it is not showing. Enable Eureka server. Okay, so first of all, add this annotation on our main class. After that, go to the application.properties file and add some properties here. So I already copied that property. So okay, so I already added this property. So let me explain the property one by one. So this is the our spring.application name. This is our application name, server.port. So on this port, our application will run. Third is Eureka client register with Eureka. Okay, so we are saying that this service is a self Eureka server, so don't register with this Eureka server. So that's why we are setting these two property false. Okay, and we will create one link. By using this link, our other services will register here. So what is mean? So let me show you. So this link is present in our Eureka server. So everybody, this user service and this album service will use this link to register with Eureka server. So that's why we created this link. Okay, so now we are done with, so go to our main class and run the application. Okay, now you can see our this replica node URL. So you can see this URL. This URL is the same URL, and our application is running on 8010 port. Okay, so copy this port, go to our Chrome browser and add localhost 8010. Okay, now you can see this is the our UI of our Eureka server, and whenever we register this our user service and album service, then it will start reflecting here. So we can check that instance in this case. So in the next video we will register our user service, and we can see how we can register this user service with Eureka server. So this is all about this Eureka server. Thank you.